Thinking of getting a French Bulldog? Before you fall in love with these walking potatoes, let's see if this pup fits your life. Meet the French Bulldog. Small, compact, and basically a professional couch buddy. They're low-energy dogs. Short walks? Yes. Long runs? Hard no. Frenchies are affectionate, playful, and very attached to their humans. Personal space? Not included. Minimal grooming needed, but expect snorts, snores, and weird little noises. They don't handle heat well, and vet visits can be expensive. Cute face, premium maintenance. Great for apartment living and relaxed owners. Not ideal if you want an active, outdoorsy dog. Is the French Bulldog your match?